Cordial greetings, tutor. My name is Edwin Armando Peña. I am 36 years old and I am studying industrial engineer and 8th semester. I live in the city of Facatativá. I work for a company called Polar Food. And my anecdote is about my youth. When I was 18 years old, I finished my study as a bachelor. Then I started working in a show store and started saving and helping my mother with the expenses of the house. Then I started attending a church, and for a long time I met a beautiful woman who was my girlfriend. We lasted 3 years of boyfriend and we got married. At 2 years old, I was the father of a beautiful girl, which made my life very happy. I keep working hard to get my family out. A few years later, we managed to get a house where we are still living thanks to God. And then I was promoted in my work and we managed to get a car and pay for the house completely. And now my daughter is studying and I need grade. My wife is working and continue to work and study my engineering career. This is my life summed up in a few words. Initially that was very hard, but thanks to God, with the passing of the years and with my family together, we are very happy today. Thank you.